And of course, Pakistan is visibly red-faced over media reports of a secret deal with the United States over Osama bin Laden, with vehement denials coming in from all quarters. Now joining me live is former ISI Chief General Javed Ashraf Qazi. General Qazi, thanks very much for speaking to Times Now. My first question to you, did President Musharraf enter into any arrangement with Bush that allowed the Americans to launch an operation against Osama bin Laden on Pakistani soil?
Well, to the best of my knowledge, it is ridiculous. I don't think there was any such arrangement, and I just a little while heard a denial from him and his spokesman from Dubai or somewhere, wherever he is, that there was no such arrangements. He has not signed any such agreement with anyone.
Now, General Qazi, was General Musharraf under any sort of pressure from the domestic constituency and hence did not reveal the US deal, not just to the public, but also to people within his own ministry as well?
Well, to the best of my knowledge, it is not correct. I think it is ridiculous. Nobody could have gotten away with such a deal. In fact, when the Americans once undertook a commando action in South Waziristan during Musharraf's time, there was a very strong protest lodged and a warning given that next time if they come, Pakistan army is going to resist and fire. So they did not attempt it again. And a denial from President Musharraf and his spokesman also was on air a little while back. So I don't think there is any truth in this story.
Right, General Qazi, thanks very much for speaking to us this morning. And we also spoke to Imran Khan yesterday. Here's what he said to us.
Credibility खत्म हो गई है, इसकी कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा. हम जो भी कहें लोग हमारी बात अब मानेंगे नहीं. यानी कि इसका मतलब ये है कि आप अब जो मर्जी कहें कि जी वो रॉ ने करवाया, वो फलाने ने करवाया, सब ने कहना जी पाकिस्तान टेररिज्म का हब है. दुनिया ये कहेगी, जो कैमरून पहले कह बैठा था, जो हिंदुस्तान बार बार कहता था, फ्रेंच प्रेसिडेंट ने भी ये कह बैठा था, अमेरिकन सेनेटर्स कह बैठे थे, खुद नहीं कहते थे गवर्नमेंट, उनकी भी दो पॉलिसीज चलती थी ना, एक तरफ सेनेटर कुछ कहते थे, और जो CIA के चीफ का बयान आ गया है, ये इतना खौफनाक बयान है कि या हम मिले हुए थे या हम नाअहल हैं. दोनों तरफ से मतलब कि हम अमेरिका को ही अब ये संभालना पड़ेगा कुछ, यानी कि सॉवरेनिटी की उन्होंने खुला कह दिया कि ये सॉवरेन के काबिल ही नहीं है.